time to get yourself standing up because we're going to do a little bit of a body percussion challenge with a song that you probably already know. Now, we'll do piece by piece, but let's start with just the song. If you know this song already, you're welcome to sing along. But if you don't, just listen and pay attention to what it's about. Here I go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. Do you remember Rocky Mountain from second grade? If you do, awesome. If not, you can learn it as we go here. Okay, let's add the body percussion. So first you'll see that there is an orange oval around the word Rocky. That's right. And the orange circle just means that we are going to clap on those syllables. So it's going to be Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high, etc. Pretty easy so far. Try that with me. Ready, go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Well, since that was so easy, let's add the next one. On these parts, that blue underline means that we are going to pat our legs to the rhythm of those words. Hang your head and cry. Try it. But that's not the only one. There's also do remember me. Try that. Okay, so we still have our claps on the orange ovals, but adding pats on our legs at hang your head and cry and do remember me. Let's try the whole song. Ready, go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. I hope you got it, because we're moving on, adding a little bit more. Okay, now there are some green squares around the word do. That's right. And for the green squares, we are going to snap our fingers, just both hands together. Let's try just that part. My turn, your turn. Do, 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 do. Now the very last line that you see there, be careful because we're going to have snaps immediately followed by some pats, right? Do, 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 do remember me. Try it. Okay, let's try what we've got so far from the beginning, starting with our claps on Rocky Mountain. Ready, go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. All right, getting a little more challenging. Let's add one more thing. Look at those yellow circles. Are they with any words? No, they're after the end of the line. For those yellow circles, we are going to stomp. Each circle is one stomp, and so you'll notice there's two stomps in a row. Stomp, stomp. Yeah, if you're standing up like me, you have to get ready, and it's almost a little bit more like a skip to get the second one ready. Stomp, stomp. See how I'm in the air? Stomp, stomp. Try that. Before we try it with all three things, let's see if we can just do the stomps at the end of each line. So singing and doing the stomps. Here we go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. Okay, if we got the stomps, let's try putting stomps, the claps, and the pats together. Before we try it together, let's see if we can check out the last line where everything gets the busiest, because we have snaps on the green squares, pats on the blue line, and stomps on the yellow, like this. Do, 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 do remember me. Try that. Ready, go. Do, 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 do remember me. Okay, let's try the whole song with claps, stomps, pats, and snaps. Ready, go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. Kind of tricky. Let's give it one more shot. Okay, as we do it this final time, let's add a little bit of a challenge to it. Let's actually sing the song 2 times in a row without stopping. The first time, you can sing along. You've heard me sing it many times now, so you should know it even if you didn't know it before. So sing along and do all the body percussion in the right spots. The second time, immediately after, I want you to only think the words inside your head. Don't sing out loud, but still see if you can put all of the body percussion in the right areas. Ooh, that'll be a little tricky. You'll have to really think the song and sing it to yourself silently. And if you are with me and doing the right actions at the same time as me, you'll know you're with me in your head. Let's try it. 1 time out loud with the actions, 1 time in your head with the actions. We won't go too fast, though. Ready, go. Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain, Rocky Mountain high. When you're on that Rocky Mountain, hang your head and cry. Do, 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 do remember me. Do, 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 do remember me. Think. Did you get it? Were you at the same time as me? Very nice. That's it for today. Thanks for doing My Hat Has 3 Corners and Rocky Mountain with me. And keep practicing because we'll use some of those same songs and techniques in our next lesson next week.